Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make line paper in MS Word. So first step you need to do is to open MS Word, click on insert and click on table, click on insert table, and number of columns you need to select 1 and number of rows you need to select 60 and click on OK. And now you can see that it is created, but we do not want the lines that are here. You can see it is closed, so you simply need to select that completely like this and click on to the table design, and here you can see borders option. So first step you need to select no borders, and then you need to select that again and click on inside. Here you can see different options inside borders. Okay, and now you can see that it is created. So this is the process that you need to follow to make line paper in MS Word. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.